In a world where aging is considered an inevitable journey, there exist extraordinary individuals who challenge the boundaries of time. Annette Larkins, an 81-year-old actress, hailing from the United States, stands as a mesmerizing enigma, captivating the gaze of the world with her astonishingly youthful appearance. With skin that radiates an ethereal glow, an energy that defies the ticking clock, and a beauty that seems to transcend the very notion of age, Larkins has become a luminous guiding star for those in search of the elixir of longevity and boundless vitality. Her enigmatic allure and ageless visage have left observers awestruck as they question the secrets she holds close to her heart. What mystical rites has she uncovered? What hidden treasures has she unearthed on her path to perpetual youthfulness? The world watches in wonder, hoping to unravel the enigma that is Annette Larkins. Her story serves as a source of inspiration, a testament to the untapped potential within each of us. It whispers of a reality where age is not a barrier, but merely a fleeting notion. It beckons us to reimagine the possibilities, to challenge the limitations imposed by time itself. As we gaze upon Annette Larkins' luminous presence, we are reminded that the quest for everlasting youth and vitality is a journey worth embarking upon. A journey where age becomes nothing more than a whisper in the wind, and the true essence of our inner radiance is set free. In today's video, we will explore the remarkable journey of Annette Larkins and the lifestyle choices she credits for her age-defying appearance. But before continuing further, kindly subscribe to our channel for more interesting and inspirational stories. Annette Larkins embarked on a transformative journey towards eternal beauty many years ago by deliberately placing her health and well-being at the forefront. Born in Florida, USA, on January 13, 1942, Larkins was immersed in a natural environment from a young age, igniting her passion for gardening and embracing a plant-based diet. This profound bond with the earth and its abundant resources became the bedrock of her extraordinary metamorphosis. Decades ago, Annette Larkins made a deliberate choice to prioritize her physical and mental well-being, setting her on a path towards timeless beauty, fostering her deep appreciation for gardening and plant-based nutrition. This enduring connection with the natural world became the cornerstone of her remarkable journey, leading to a profound transformation. The power of plant-based nutrition. Annette Larkins' timeless appearance can be largely attributed to her unwavering commitment to a plant-based eating regimen. Larkins firmly believes in the transformative power of fruits and vegetables as essential sources of nutrition, attributing her radiant complexion and boundless energy to her dietary choices. The existence of her personal garden, where she cultivates a diverse range of organic fruits and vegetables, stands as a testament to her resolute dedication. Larkins places great emphasis on the consumption of fresh, raw, and organic produce, which she believes offers optimal nourishment for the body. Her diet primarily consists of an abundance of vibrant green leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. In her quest for sustained youthfulness, Larkins consciously avoids processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats, recognizing their potential contribution to premature aging. By adhering to a plant-based diet filled with nutrient-rich and unprocessed foods, Annette Larkins exemplifies the ability to nurture the body from within. Her dietary choices exemplify her conviction that nature provides an abundance of nourishment to support overall well-being and sustain a youthful appearance. Through her example, she inspires others to explore the transformative potential of plant-based nutrition in their own pursuit of ageless beauty and vibrant health. The role of hydration and exercise. Annette Larkins places great importance on the role of hydration and regular exercise in maintaining her ageless appearance. She recognizes the significance of consuming an ample amount of purified water throughout the day to ensure proper hydration and support overall well-being. Larkins acknowledges that water serves as a catalyst for flushing out toxins, enhancing skin elasticity, and promoting optimal health. In addition to prioritizing hydration, Larkins incorporates physical exercise into her daily routine. She embraces a range of activities, including yoga, stretching, and walking, to stay active and maintain her youthful vitality. By engaging in regular exercise, Larkins reaps the benefits of improved blood circulation, increased energy levels, and toned muscles. She encourages others to discover physical activities they genuinely enjoy, emphasizing the importance of finding joy in exercise and making it a sustainable and fulfilling part of their lives. Annette Larkins' holistic approach to health and wellness demonstrates that staying hydrated and engaging in regular physical activity are essential components of her age-defying lifestyle. In addition to her physical routines, Annette Larkins places great emphasis on the significance of cultivating a positive mindset and nurturing emotional well-being. She recognizes that a positive outlook and inner tranquility play a vital role in contributing to overall health and radiance. To maintain mental clarity and emotional balance, Larkins incorporates practices such as meditation and affirmations into her daily life. Larkins firmly believes in the power of surrounding oneself with uplifting individuals and engaging in activities that bring joy. She actively cultivates meaningful relationships with people who inspire and support her. By nurturing these connections, she creates a positive and uplifting environment that helps to sustain her youthful spirit. Additionally, Larkins seeks out experiences that nourish her spirit, such as engaging in hobbies, exploring new interests, and embracing moments of joy and laughter. By prioritizing her emotional well-being and fostering a positive mindset, Annette Larkins exemplifies the transformative impact it can have on one's overall health and vitality. Her practices of meditation, affirmations, and actively seeking uplifting experiences serve as a reminder for individuals to prioritize their emotional health and create a fulfilling and vibrant existence. Larkins' approach teaches us that a harmonious inner state and a positive outlook can greatly contribute to our overall well-being. By nurturing our emotional well-being and surrounding ourselves with positivity, we can cultivate an environment that supports our youthful energy and zest for life. Annette Larkins' story serves as an inspiration to embrace the power of a positive mindset and the importance of emotional well-being in our own journeys toward a vibrant and fulfilling life. Annette Larkins' incredible journey is a testament to the profound impact of intentional lifestyle choices in defying the conventional effects of aging. Her unwavering dedication to a plant-based diet, adequate hydration, regular exercise, and emotional well-being has enabled her to maintain a youthful appearance that defies her chronological age. Larkins' story serves as a beacon of inspiration for those who are seeking to enhance their overall well-being and embrace the boundless potential of a vibrant and healthy life. While it is important to recognize that each person's journey is unique, Larkins' unwavering commitment to natural, holistic practices emphasizes the significance of nourishing not only the body but also the mind and soul. As we marvel at the extraordinary transformation that Annette Larkins has undergone, her story serves as a powerful reminder that aging gracefully and defying conventional expectations is within the realm of possibility for each of us. It is never too late to make conscious choices that can positively impact our physical and emotional well-being. By embracing a holistic approach to health, encompassing the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and emotional aspects, we can all strive for our personal fountain of youth, just as Annette Larkins has done. Her journey ignites the belief that with dedication, perseverance, and the adoption of healthy practices, we can all embark on a transformative path towards a vibrant and fulfilling life. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more interesting and inspirational stories.